in meaning. They usually have endings such as the passive verbs, that is are, is, and to. These verbs, though different from the present active, have the same meanings, although with different endings. Different verbs are usually conjugated the same way as present active verbs. You go to the second principal part, take off the re and add the ending that suits the subject and the tense. Conjugating differs slightly when it comes to the third IO, the fourth conjugation. The second principal part is different for the third conjugation, as you can see. So we take off the I and add again an ending that suits the tense and the subject. For the fourth conjugation, the ending looks more like what we're used to. So take off the RI and then add an ending that suits it, and then you get your verb. For example, here we have he rises and he speaks. Try conjugating the following verbs in the third person singular form.